So I recently purchased my first ever primary residence, and while I'm incredibly excited to move in, the process was very stressful, and I'd like to give you a few tips to avoid when you go to buy your first home. The first thing is to make sure you have all of your ducks in a row as far as your finances go. As a business owner, securing a loan can be very difficult, and being organized will be pivotal to the process. Second is to make sure you have a team of A players. When buying a home, you need to build out a team that consists of a rockstar real estate agent, loan officer, and title rep. Now, I'm very fortunate to be in love with a phenomenal realtor, my girlfriend Meredith, but you need to make sure the realtor you are working with has a proven track record of success, not only in finding your dream home, but also being a hard negotiator. Your loan officer can make all the difference when buying a home, and the big thing here is to make sure they have an outstanding knowledge of various loan types and are able to get you the best possible rate. And if you're a business owner, it's extremely important to make sure they have experience getting loans for people who aren't W-2 employees. You will also need an organized and on top of it title rep who will be able to go to bat for you in the transaction. A good title rep will ensure you get clear title on your home and will be able to seamlessly handle communication between you, the seller, the lender, in order to make sure you have a smooth transaction that closes on time. When it comes to selecting your first home, it's so important to go and see everything you possibly can, even if you don't love it after looking at the pictures online. Going to see homes will give you a crystal clear idea of what it is you do or don't like, and driving to these properties will give you a better understanding of the location, which is going to be one of the most important factors when it comes to resale value. You will be thanking yourself for thinking ahead about the resale value, and this is why it's also important to have a realtor who understands how to comp a property well. You want to make sure that number one, the house you're buying isn't the most expensive one in the neighborhood, so you have room to force appreciation, and ideally you want to be buying in a neighborhood that is trending upwards. One of the reasons we bought our house is because we saw that there were some other properties that were undergoing massive renovations, and we're going to end up selling for way over what we paid for our property. And this will in turn raise the value of it. Number two is your realtor will be able to use the comps to negotiate with the listing agent in order to get you the best possible price. Also, a savvy realtor will be able to negotiate a lot of other benefits too, like having the seller include certain pieces of furniture with the sale or even paying for your home warranty. If you are ever looking to buy a house in Phoenix or Scottsdale, I would highly recommend getting in touch with my girlfriend Meredith and her partner in real estate, Mason. Meredith and Mason are both very skilled negotiators. I know this from experience. And they have an elite understanding of the Phoenix metro market. You can find their contact information in the link down below. Now, my final tip is to be patient. The home buying process is not easy and it can take a while. You should have to expect to go see many different homes and you aren't going to love every single one of them. Between getting your offer selected and closing can be very stressful. You can avoid some of the stress by making sure you are in constant communication with your realtor, lender, and title rep to make sure they have everything they need from you to get the transaction moving forward. And last of all, have fun. Buying a house is super exciting and a huge step in life, so try and enjoy the process. Now, if you did find this video helpful, please leave it a like, and if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments. As always guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.